Sugar. This is among the biggest headaches facing Kenyan consumers in the wake of reports day after day of impounded contraband sugar. Our reporter Mark Namaso spoke to a food expert on this and now reports.
Impounding of commodities said to be hazardous contraband is almost becoming a daily news item in Kenya. The Mwananchi on the streets left wondering whether shopping is worth their time or not.
If I've already taken it, I don't know my health stake. So what if I go to a supermarket and pick something in good faith and then I find out that it can or cannot be like detrimental to my health?
But just how does one decide to make mercury or copper an ingredient in sugar or other foods? Dr. Catherine Kunyanga is a food technology expert at the University of Nairobi.
This issue of mercury actually is mercury chloride, has been there. It's historical. So normally we have this coming in, and it can be either criminal, political, it can just be economical.
She intimates that the presence of heavy metal substances cannot be discerned without sophisticated lab equipment. With the government chemist not making lab findings on the matter public, for ordinary Kenyans, such things just don't add up.
Mercury is more expensive than the sugar itself. So I wouldn't imagine having sugar that has copper and mercury.
It can either enter mostly during processing. For pesticide, it's during production. But for heavy metals, it's during the actual, after you harvest. So it's more of a post-harvest issue also, and during processing.
Now, what is the way forward?
When you get sugar contaminated with heavy metals, they're supposed to be withdrawn from the market.
It also turns out that not all Kenyans are bothered by the reports of contaminated food commodities on supermarket shelves.
I literally don't take sugar, so whether it has mercury or copper, I don't care about it.
At the end of the day, you're taking sugar either directly or indirectly. Maybe in the pastries we buy, we find sugar. In the soda we are drinking the sugar. So I'm afraid, but I can't say I can avoid sugar 100%.
As I said in Busia, your business, your phone calls, hiyo sasa sisi hatuelewi. Mtu akupigia simu unamjua ni nani? Naitwa Uhuru Kenyatta.
Lakini Diamond Wholesalers si mwingine, is one of us in parliament.
Almost all mercury compounds such as mercury chloride are toxic, capable of causing stunted growth in humans and damage to unborn babies, the nervous system, the heart and brain, among other parts.
You might not see them now, but actually the chemicals accumulate in your body, like the heavy metals. And then with the time, you get, for example, cancer down in the line. When you're 70, then you're asking, what happened?
Kenyans have been left with the usual skepticism on whether the current anti-smuggling campaign will be a sustained effort or end up as the usual passing cloud. Mark Namaswa, KTN News.
You have probably heard or witnessed someone attempting suicide.